Through the years, the Philippine Air Force has strived to improve its capabilities, especially in regard to the step-by-step implementation of the Philippine Air Defense Identification Zone, or PADIZ. The first of the Philippine Air Force's 3 Japan-J FPS-3ME radars appeared to be under assembly in the Philippines. Mitsubishi Electric personnel and what seems to be the lower section of AJ FPS-3ME were seen in a recent visit by the Philippine Air Force's commander to Wallace Air Station. Mitsubishi Electric won a bid to export the improved version of the 3J FPS-3 and 1J TPSP-14 air defense systems, which are used by the self-defense forces. To further improve the country's ability to detect aircraft and aerial domain and situation awareness of the Philippine Air Force, the service has requested the acquisition of additional air surveillance radar systems to cover more areas of the Philippines. This allowed the Philippine Air Force to start the Air Surveillance Radar Phase 2 acquisition project, which is covered under the priority projects of the Horizon 2 phase of the revised AFP modernization program. The goal is to fill in gaps in the Philippine Air Force's capability to detect aerial activities in the northeastern, eastern, southeastern, central, and southern parts of the country. The Japanese Ministry of Defense has confirmed that the first air surveillance radar made by Mitsubishi Electric for the Philippine Air Force has completed its pre-delivery inspections and will be delivered to the Philippines soon. Japan will also be accepting trainees for operating and maintaining the radar system starting the 4th of October 2022. The Air Surveillance Radar Phase 2 acquisition project of the Philippine Air Force involves the delivery of 3J FPS-3ME fixed radars and 1J TPSP-14ME mobile radar to the PAF's 580th Aircraft Control and Warning Wing. This deal between the Philippines DND and Japan MOD is the first export of a major defense system by Japan since after World War II.